In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use your Wise card in Thailand. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to easily use your Wise card if you are from Thailand itself or if you are going to be traveling from Thailand from another country. So for the first method, if you are from Thailand itself and you are eligible for a Wise card, all that you have to do to use the Wise card inside of your own region is to acquire the card details, so the card number, expiration date, and security code, and those details can be used to make purchases online anywhere that credit or debit cards are accepted. As long as your Wise account is properly loaded up with balance and you include the details about the card during checkout, you will be good to go. Alternatively, you can also link the card to a digital wallet and use it for contactless payments in store or also digitally. Regardless of which option you choose, using it inside of your own country is extremely simple. The only prerequisite is that the card is activated and loaded up with balance. Now, if you are going to be traveling to Thailand from another country, the process of converting your currency to Thailand's currency is also simple. This process is actually done automatically by Wise, so all that you would have to do to use your Wise card in Thailand if you are not from the region itself is to simply use it like normal, either by copying the card details and making purchases online or any services where credit or debit cards are accepted, or linking the card to a digital wallet like the Apple Wallet or the Google Pay wallet. And then, as long as you have enough balance on any currency, for example, United States dollars, you will be able to have it converted automatically by Wise. They say that the conversion rate is going to be the cheapest available, so you don't have to worry about getting a bad deal. Alternatively, you can also go back to the home screen and tap Open under the account category. This will give you the option to open a new account specifically for Thailand's balance or currency. So that way you can manually add the money into this account and load it up with balance beforehand. So you don't have to go through the process of automatically getting the conversion done by Wise. Usually this can net you better conversion rates, but the difference is not very big. So don't worry too much about this if you don't want to do this additional process. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Wise card in Thailand. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.